my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone around data entry. And this one is very rare, so I'm excited to be bringing it to you today. So I just ask that if you like job leads like this, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that these are being helpful and these are the ones that you like. Also, please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But with that being said, Stanford University is hiring a data aid. This data aid is basically going to be a data entry specialist. You're going to accurately enter data from data sheets or charts into their database and manual filing system using specific standard instructions that they're going to give you. You're going to determine the appropriate action to be taken for duplicate, inaccurate, or unclear information. You're going to assist with data collection when needed, maintaining a variety of complex records, and suggesting or making improvements to the record keeping procedures and processes. You'll also review this data and records to perform audits of your own work and that work of others to make sure that all work was done in conformance with established procedures and policies. So it is just data collection and data entry. That simple. Now, no college degree is needed, even though you are working for a college. Only a high school diploma or GED is needed, or equivalent of 2 years relevant experience. They're looking for somebody who has strong knowledge of Microsoft Excel. You can format and organize data in Excel. Someone who has the strong ability to learn, great attention to detail, good computer skills, and the ability to exercise judgment and reasoning skills. Now, as far as pay goes, it says this role is open to candidates anywhere in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions. They do have 5 regional pay structures. So, of course, pay is always going to be dependent on the location or state you live in. But their pay range for this data entry is anywhere from $47,000 a year all the way up to $75,000 a year just for basic data entry. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I am reading those and keeping those in mind. Please, again, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up like button if you did enjoy this job lead. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.